Hi everyone, it's your Billion Girl and welcome to my channel. So, if you have been curious about the Waray-Waray language, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to teach you basic greetings in Waray-Waray language, simple words and phrases you can start using right away. The first step if you want to talk like a local. Before we start, here's what you'll learn in this video. So if you want to understand Waray-Waray speakers better or maybe impress a Filipino, keep watching. So first, let's start with general greetings. Kumusta? Kumusta. Kumusta. Kumusta means how are you? Maupay man. Maupay man. Ma-u-pay man. Maupay man means good or fine. Maupay nga adlaw. Ma-upay nga adlaw. Maupay nga adlaw. Maupay nga adlaw means good day. Alright, 1 down and 7 more to go. Next, we have time-based greetings. Maupay nga aga. Maupay nga aga. Maupay nga aga. Maupay nga aga. Maupay nga aga means good morning. Got it? Okay. So next we have maupay nga udto. Maupay nga udto. Maupay nga udto means good afternoon. Maupay nga gabi. Maupay nga gabi. Maupay nga gabi. Maupay nga gabi means good evening. Aga udto gabi. Aga udto gabi. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Alright? Got it, guys? Got it? Are you sure? Okay. So next, we have polite greetings. Maupay nga adlaw ha imo. 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 Maupay nga adlaw ha imo means good day to you. Kumusta ka na? 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 Kumusta ka na means how are you now? Okay la ako. Okay la ako. Okay la ako. Okay la ako. It means I'm okay. Okay la ako. Next, we have greeting someone casually. Uy, kumusta? Uy, kumusta? Uy, kumusta means hey, how are you? Kumusta na? Uy, kumusta na? Kumusta na? Kumusta na means how have you been? Like, uy, kumusta na? Like, hey, how have you been? Ano na? Uy, ano na? Ano na? Uy, ano na? Like, hey, what's up? Got it? Okay, so 4 down and 4 more to go. Okay, so next is meeting someone. Nalipay ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. Nalipay ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. Again, nalipay ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. Again, nalipay ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. Nalipay ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. Nalipay ako nga nakilala ko ikaw. It means nice to meet you, or I'm happy to meet you, or nice meeting you. Got it, guys? It's easy, right? Hi, ano yung ngaran? Like, what's your name? Like, hi, what's your name? Ano imo ngaran? Ngaran. Ano yung ngaran? Hi, ano yung ngaran? Ano yung ngaran? Ano imo ngaran? Means, what's your name? I'm Monica. Like, ako, he, and your name. Ako, he, and your name. Like for example, ako yung Monica. Next is checking on someone. Kumusta ka dida? Kumusta ka dida? Kumusta? Kumusta ka dida? Dida. Kumusta ka dida? It means, how are you there? Okay ka la? Okay ka la? Okay ka la? It means, are you okay? Kumusta ni mo adlaw? Kumusta an imo adlaw? Kumusta ni mo adlaw? Kumusta an imo adlaw? Kumusta ni mo adlaw? Kumusta ni mo adlaw? It means, how was your day? Next is respectful, friendly expressions. Salamat. 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 Salamat means thank you. Damo nga salamat. Damo nga salamat. Damo nga salamat. Damo nga salamat means thank you very much. Pasensya la. Pasensya la. Pasensya la. Pasensya la. Pa-sen-sya. Pa-sen-sya. Sya. Pasensya. Pasensya la. Pasensya la. Pasensya la means sorry. And the last one is saying goodbye. Makadi na ako. Ma-ka-di na ako. Makadi na ako. Makadi na ako. Makadi na ako. Makadi na ako means I'll go now. Makadi na ako. Uy, makadi na ako. Kita-ay. Kita-ay. Kita-ay nala. Kita-ay nala. It means see you again. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed learning what I wanted with me. And if you want to practice more, or if you want something you can read anytime, I actually created an ebook in Canva that includes all the words, expressions, and conversations we talked about in this video. So if you want to learn faster and have your own copy, you can check it out, and everything is already organized for you there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Your Billiard Girl. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!